China's defense minister has congratulated Russian President Vladimir Putin for promoting world peace, highlighting the close bond between the two nations more than a year after the war broke out in Ukraine. A clip posted on the Chinese company's short video platform appears to show Li Shangfu reading prepared remarks in a meeting with Putin and Russia's defense minister Sergei Shoigu on Sunday. Shangfu called Putin an extraordinary state leader, noting his important contributions to promoting world peace and development. His trip to Russia is the first by a Chinese defense minister since the war began. The comments sit in stark contrast to the line taken by the US and its allies, which have implemented sweeping sanctions on Russia as they look to isolate Putin.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.